How to resize photos in PhotoRoom. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you are using PhotoRoom and want to resize a photo for social media, a marketplace or another platform, you can easily adjust the image dimensions from the editing tool. Firstly, open up PhotoRoom application and sign in. Now tap on Start from a photo from the bottom center and then select the photo you want to resize from your camera roll. After selecting the photo, it will automatically remove the background from the photo. Now, you'll be able to see this page. Select the same photo again, and now on the next page, it will show you the suggested color for the background. Go to the bottom center and tap on Size in order to resize the image. Now, you can select between square or portrait options. Choose the sizing and you'll see the result. Choose your preferred size from the menu, and once you are done, select one of your results and export it in your device's camera roll. And now you'll see this other menu appearing on the screen. Go to the bottom right and tap on Resize. You can now select the appropriate aspect ratio. You can export the photo for Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, or other social media platform. Choose one of the options from the menu and you'll be able to complete the resize. So that's how you easily resize a photo in PhotoRoom, and now you can use it for your preferred platform or project. Go ahead and export the photo as needed and you are done. So that's how you easily do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.